Hi, my name is Rosenie Damus. I am a real estate agent with Realty Texas, covering the greater Austin metro area. Are you looking for an exceptional home selling, buying, or renting process that would be as smooth as possible? Voila! You just find me. With many years of combined experience and as a substitute teacher, a ESL teacher for adults, and a customer service experience, I will be patient and motivating you at the same time towards your journey. My sellers will have the most up-to-date marketing plan to provide a maximum exposure for selling of your home. My buyers will have the most up-to-date inventory, and I would work diligently to get you to the closing of your dream home. My investors and renters, I would work diligently to get you to sign the lease. So, have your friend, your coworker, family member, neighbors to call me, please. Wait a minute. What do you think? You too. Call me at 512-269-0875. And thank you very much for watching and sharing this video. See you next time.